All right, hello everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So, in this video, we will be finding out that what is Google Fi, what are the best plans that you can buy for your phone, what is the difference between the plans of Spectrum or AT&T or Verizon, and how you can compare with the Google Fi. Because right now, that's really trending and hot topic going on for the Google Fi, and they have like an amazing plans right now. So let me actually take you towards like a main screen and show you that how it actually works. What are the plans, what are the phones, what is the coverage, and if you subscribe right now, what benefits that you can get, how you can get with what phone, what plan that you can get. We'll cover all of that in a single video. Before we go further, I would request that if you can please hit subscribe button and like this video, and stay tuned for more updates. So let me take you towards that. So this is a home page where you can find out that what are the best plans that you can get. Let's say if you can see here, subscribe and save $209 over 2 years on the brand new Pixel 6a. So you know the 6a is like a hot phone right now, which is going on at the moment. If you can see that it's 5G. So obviously, it has like a more potential. If I click here on subscribe now, so what we are actually getting here, so with if you actually order 6A Google Pixel 6a with Fi, what you will be getting, this is like gonna be a most affordable Google phone that adapts to you, which is powered by Google Tensor. It's super fast and secure. The camera is really perfect. And if you can actually check with the plans, if you want to pay in full and get all of done here, you can actually pay for $49 today, and you can actually keep this phone all together with you. Or if you come here at the subscription on the monthly basis for 2 years, you will be having this phone all together. You can upgrade that after 2 years, or also you will be having a device protectional. Depends what kind of that, like accidental damage, drops and spills, mechanical breakdown, lost or theft, etc., etc. If you come here with a Pixel Pass, you can save up to $280 over 2 years. You can keep the phone, upgrade, device protection, $5 a month off. Your Fi services YouTube Premium. That's a good thing that you can get the YouTube Premium for free, YouTube Music Premium for free, Google One, the Google Drive 200 gigs data, absolutely free, Google Play Pass that you'll be getting from here as well. So if I come down here, you will be getting those features. What is display? That's a really big screen, 6.134 inches. Beautiful, the full high definition screen. Storage is 128 gigs. Beautiful, amazing storage. You can get the great advantage for having clicks more photos. 12.2 megapixel dual pixel with OIS and CLAF. The rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera. Uh, Look at the memory, 6 GB RAM, beautiful. Batteries, great, outrageous. And also the display is amazing. That also, it's a 5G phone, so you can see that's going to be really fast. Now, here, if you come to see about the unlimited plans, let's say if you want to get for the phone for all of your family, you can come here and get $20 per month instead of $30, and you can get simply unlimited data. So if you're getting for four phones for the family, it will be $80 a month. That's going to cost you. And then you have like unlimited plus, which means that simply unlimited would be having some data for sure, but unlimited plus would be truly unlimited, that you can go in $40 every month as well. Also, you have like some flexible, if you are whatever the data that you're using, that you can go for $17 every month and 65 for four. If we go to explore plans, we can come across about that what we are also getting with the Fi. We're not only getting a data, we're also getting unlimited calls and text. There is no contracts or activation fees. You can cancel it anytime. There is no termination fees right there. There's a built-in VPN and spam blocking, so that's a good thing that you will not receiving any spam or telemarketing calls. That Also, you can contact controls and data budgets and 24 by 7 customer support. So you can contact any of them anytime that you want. So in the simply unlimited plan, let's say if you go here, you will be getting unlimited data. Like I said, in simply unlimited, the data is unlimited, but like I said, it's going to be data would be slower after 35 GB. So consider that it's going to be 35 gigs. That is that is a huge data. In unlimited plus, it's going to be slow after 50 GB, and here after 15 GB. Hotspot 5 GB per month. Here unlimited $10 per GB with bill protection. That including for tablets and other devices? No. Just make sure if you're using tablets, you have to have this unlimited plus. It's just a difference for $5. Also, in terms of the calls, you can call anywhere, call to Canada and Mexico. Free over 50 destinations. If I click on the destinations and I see here, these are the countries that you can go as low as 1 cent per minute. You can call like Australia, Argentina, Greece, Germany, Hungary, Portugal, Romania, Singapore, and many more countries that you can. Also, you can get the free text 20 cents per minute for calls. So you have like a multiple, advanced features with that too, which you can go for with Fi. If I come here with the phones, that what phones that you can get it with that, uh, you can simply either buy a phone or you can use your personal phone as well. Let's say if I click on the bring your phone, you can check the eligibility, what kind of manufacturer they will be getting. So most of that every like people using Apple iPhones, Samsung, LG, HTC, Huawei, Google, Motorola, and if you have any other phone, you can also use that as well, depending if that is capable with them or not. So if you can check that if your phone is compatible or not. So if you can check with the iPhone, obviously it's gonna work or that. Uh, let's say if we go with the lower phone, if it was for AT&T, yeah, it's not gonna work. Obviously, the better you, if you have like older phones, better you actually get from them. Which I'm gonna let you know that what you can actually get here. If I click on the phones, like I said, I did before, so we can go for buy a phone. These are phones that we can get it Pixel 6a, Samsung S22 Ultra. These are the hot trending phones right now. S22, Pixel 6 Pro, Motorola phones, Samsung's phone, and also the Z Flip one, which you can also get for 1667 a month. So they have like a flexible options for that. If you click on the coverage, you can also get better coverage, 5G included. So if you have 5G, obviously you got like a multiple, it's a good speed nationwide for the data, and also you will be also having a good signals all over, the East Coast mainly. That's a dead zone area, but still you'll be getting a good coverage there because it's a 5G technology. So let's say if you actually want to go with the plan, you can simply click on subscribe now, and then it will have all together. So that is pretty much about it. That's how you can order the Google Fi. The reviews are amazing. These are great. That is a great competitor for AT&T, Verizon, and Spectrum, which is offering the mobile services right now in US. Obviously, it is actually Google Pixel 6a is compatible with the phone with the Google Fi, and Google Fi has captured a great market in the US. So if you like this one, you can certainly grab that one. And there is a store available where you can even buy your phone. You can bring your phone there because that is actually catered by AT&T. AT&T is the one who's actually taking care of that. So if you like it, you can contact their customer service. They have their own customer service as well. You can simply click on that and you can order yourself a phone. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Do leave me a comment if you like the subscription, or if there is anything that you want to share about the feedback. It would be an amazing response from your side. I really thank you for your presence and have a wonderful day. And I say goodbye to you.